Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your protagonist is level 76 or higher, and you have high-level personas like Odin and Surt for proper inheritance. Once done, open the Velvet Room and choose Triple Fuse or Triangle Fusion depending on the available personas. You should save before committing. Fusion consumes components. While fusing, prioritize transferring high-tier skills. Agidyne or Zeodyne aren't needed. Survival and attack passives are. This first step locks the foundation for Yoshitsune's stat spread and unique skill geometry. You now optimize Yoshitsune by careful skill inheritance. Choose sources that give recovery, critical boosting, or auto-revive passives. Once the base persona exists, use Fusion to inherit high-priority skills like high physical damage or weakness-nullifying passives. You want strong critical/physical output. Make sure to balance strength and agility through stat-boosting passives so Yoshitsune hits fast and hard. If a necessary skill is missing, use Persona Compendium Retrieval or skill cards to slot it. This ensures consistent performance in tough boss fights. You finish by tuning gear, skills, and resistances. Equip items that boost strength, agility, and critical chance, and teach recovery or SB management skills if you struggle with longevity. Once complete, test Yoshitsune in a prolonged boss encounter or Mementos run to confirm damage output and survivability. If something breaks, wrong skills or weak resistances, reload your save, adjust fusion components, or reclaim from the compendium to redo inheritance. This troubleshooting loop is how you reliably get a functional, easy method Yoshitsune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.